So it's 3:57 in the morning. I'm going on a little road trip to a place called Cannock, which is on the map here. I think that's how you pronounce it. So we're picking up the 2 rear floor pans with all the tunnel, having it all cut out. I'm meeting about sort of 10 o'clock. I know I'm leaving early, but I want to get up there and beat the traffic. I'm not worried about sort of sitting around too long, but I'll make a few pit stops on the way, or maybe one. We'll see how we get on. And right, let's go. So, little pit stop, just come up to 7 o'clock, got myself a little coffee. It's getting a bit light now, as you can see there. I've got about just over an hour to go. I'm just going to drink this and then I'll carry on. Right, I'll see you soon. So there you go, all picked up. Really pleased with it. A lot of this is just a lot of leaves where it's been outside. I've got a few little bits and pieces. I'll get this in the garage when I get back and show you all. But I just want to say a massive thank you for Adam Brown. If you go to his Facebook page, Adam Brown Racing, there's the link underneath here. Big massive thank you. Fives Garage Auto Body Repairs. Yeah, fantastic. I've got the bit I need. Been waiting for this for a long time. So let's get going. Let's get back home. So I'm back, a 12-hour round trip pretty much. I'm back now, it's about 3:21 in the afternoon. So yeah, good trip. Got all the bits I need. I'm just going to go in and have a quick cup of tea, and then I'll be back out to show you the condition of it and get some of them leaves out. Right, I'll see you in a minute. So I've got the heater on this just to dry it out a little bit. Yeah, it ain't too bad. There's a few little places down, one down there, the corner where it rotted out. I've had to rebuild that edge, but really on the whole of it, really, there's a little bit. I'm not sure if that's a hole or not, big hole or not. That's it's a little bit rusty around there, but I went there to clean up. Once I get these sound deafening stuff off, I think we'll be good. It looks pretty good. It's pretty solid here, that. So, and that's been out in the rain. So it's just getting all that panel out. Once unstitched with the panel, I've got him to cut it across that bit there, so I can get that tucking underneath. And then when I put the new one on, the floor pans at the front, then that'll match up. But yeah, it's all there ready to cut out. Really, I think the tunnels. I'm pretty sure the tunnel's different because it's an 8-pound one. But I mean the rear floor pans will be the same. So I was literally just cutting this here and welding it onto mine. But what we'll do, we'll get these leaves off, get it all dried out, and then store it away until I come around and get it done. But that's not going to be long, probably a few months time I'll get around to doing all this. But like I say, I want to get all this cleaned up just to store it away for now, get it dry. And on the back here, it's got a bit of a dent down there, but that ain't too much of a problem. We'll sort that out. And it's just a little hole there on the back. I mean, it's a hell of a lot better than my ones, a lot better. So we'll get them stripped off eventually. But yeah, that's just pretty much a little update of the last piece of jigsaw that I needed for the car. So that is all the panels now. I need to weld the car up. So that was just a little update to show you what's going on, what I've been doing. But the A-pillar is being done at the moment, so it won't be too long for the next videos out. So like and subscribe if you haven't already, get yourself involved, and I'll see you next time.